What's going on, everyone? I hope you're all doing well. If you're new here, my name is Serge. Welcome to the channel. To all my reoccurring viewers, thank you so much for all the love and support that each and every single one of you have shown me. Also, if you have not yet, make sure to go check out the God Made podcast on most streaming platforms. Also, feel free to go check out Legion Assisted Living Academy in the links down below. And also feel free to go check out the one-on-one mentorship call. That link will be down below as well. If you have not, make sure to go check out valleyalfventures.com if you're a limited partner, or if you are an operator looking to potentially sell or grow your business and lease more properties, feel free to reach out to us. Also, we do placement in the greater Phoenix metro area. So if you have a loved one or know of anyone that needs placement, feel free to reach out to us. And with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into the tour of this video. We have finally started the demolition work here at the hotel. As you can tell, I am standing in what used to be the manager's apartment. So I'm going to show what's been done so far. We've actually removed this wall here where there used to be an actual room. And then as we come back this way, there was a closet here along with another bedroom. And so we actually are going to be moving the bathroom that was in the manager's apartment here. That's actually going to get pushed back, and this will all be common area space. And then as we continue to go this way, we are going to turn this into a commercial kitchen. And so we're going to have all of this done properly for a commercial kitchen. And we're going to have a serving bay here, which is going to be really nice for all the residents and the clients that will be in this facility, this behavioral health facility. And so we're going to go ahead and step into the lobby area. Now we're actually going to be removing this wall right here and opening all of this up. This will actually lead straight back into the main common area. And as we go back this way, this is where the actual check-in desk was for the hotel, but we had removed it. And we're actually going to be making all of this common area space as well. And as you can see behind me over here, we actually had a whole counter space, a refrigerator, etc. But that was all removed. There's going to be two doorways that are actually going to be added there, which will lead into two different rooms, which is really nice. And then we're actually going to be adding kind of like a check-in desk over here in the front area. And we're going to go ahead and look into the rooms that we're going to remodel. Now we're actually coming in from the main lobby area, and we are going into the first room that we will be converting. And as you can see, the bathroom here is actually going to be torn out, and this wall is going to be removed. And this room is going to be two separate rooms that we're converting it into from the main community room, because we are required to actually have two separate meeting areas that the clients can actually come and meet with their therapist, etc., per the licensing regulations. So that is why we're actually converting this room into two separate rooms. Now we're actually going to go into one of the bedrooms that we're going to be converting the bathrooms to be ADA accessible. So you can see here, this wall will be removed, the bathroom will be extended out, this door will be moved over, and we're actually going to be removing both of these walls here and actually moving and extending the bathroom out. And then the rest of the rooms, we're just going to redo the flooring. All the flooring has been torn out. We're going to do LVP throughout the whole entire hotel for all the bedrooms. And we have one other bedroom that we're converting to make the ADA accessible bathroom. And so we've also done the exterior paint. So we've repainted the entire building already. We've also coated the entire roof and did some electrical work on the outside. Now, since we've purchased this hotel, it's been an interesting journey so far. We've actually had a crazy incident that happened here at the hotel. One weekend while I was out of town, we had our person that's staying here on site send us a video, and it happened to be of an individual who actually walked into the hotel, essentially trespassing, and broke in. And while our person on site was trying to confront him, have him actually leave the hotel, he took one of the chairs that, like what I'm sitting on, and threw it straight through the window to get out.
Yo! Hey, yo! Yo!
It was quite interesting and frightening at the same time because, again, this is a big hotel. It's about 17,000 square feet. It's 2 floors, it's 42 bedrooms. And so seeing that happen, obviously we've put more security protocols and measures in place since then. But again, that's what happens when you start redeveloping projects. And everyone likes to talk about real estate and how nothing ever goes wrong. But there are things that happen along the way during the process of renovating certain properties. And that was one of the situations that happened here. We've had other things that have happened. We have our security fence, people backing up into it, dragging it, getting their tow hooks actually hinged onto the fence and pulling it. So we've had to get the fence repaired, different things like that that's happened along the way. But now we're actually facing a city zoning situation now. And so we've actually had the building approved and the fire approved. But now we're having to go through potentially a developmental plan process, which is a lot because typically they require that if you're doing any type of site reconfiguring, which we're not. We're actually just doing more of a tenant improvement or a TI and renovation. So now we're having to potentially go back and forth with the city on this and try to hopefully get this resolved and not have to go through a developmental plan. Because that's just going to drag things out longer, and we're keeping our fingers crossed. And I'm just trying to be transparent with all of you during this process because, again, that's what I like to show, and it's not all the glamour, right? At the end of the day, I'm going to have a before and after video, and things are going to look like it all went well and there weren't no issues. But as we continue to go through this process, for the most part, it's been pretty good. Again, the demolition is being done right now, and we're excited to finally get the actual improvements done and see how everything turns out. And so with that, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to like, subscribe, share it. Again, if you have not checked out Legion Assisted Living Academy, check that out in the link down below. Check out valleyalfventures.com if you're a limited partner or an operator looking to sell or potentially grow your business. So make sure to go check us out. Also, feel free to check us out on Instagram. And with that being said, I will talk to you all in the next one.